This is not just the opening of a new store, but of course another milestone for Pizza Hut and to bring great tasting pizza and excellent service closer to our valued customer in this community.
Kapag ang mga customer ay pupunta dito sa ating restaurant, sila ay masayang pupunta dito kasi sila ay nagugutom, sila ay masayang mag-i-enjoy ng food at kakain dito.
So on behalf of the marketing team, of course, we're here to support this store and let's work together to make this the most successful Pizza Hut store yet.
Always love seeing that Pizza Hut is opening new branches. There's more opportunities to spread slices of happiness across the Philippines. Thank you again for having us today.
Congratulations to each and every single one of you. Today is your day to celebrate. Have the best day, everyone, and cheers to new beginnings.
I'm proud to say the Pizza Hut dynasty is now officially open!
So on behalf of the City Mayor, Mayor Ross Rizal, kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Pag may additional businesses po sa Calamite means na we are growing. We are very happy kasi another employment opportunities po ito para sa mga residents po ng Calamba City. Thank you!